Hi guys, so this video is about 6x6 last 4 edges, and I've been wanting to make this video, but since in Instagram, I don't think it's that good to post a video that long, so I would just maybe post it on YouTube. So there are 5 cases of 6x6 last 4 edges in total. So like how you like distinguish between the 5 cases is by counting how many middle pieces are solved. So what I mean by this, when these two, like the two middle ones, are solved, then it's called like one solved. Then you have two, then two are solved, etc. Something like that. So there are 5 cases. So I'll be showing you like this time all the like the worst case you can get, like the worst cases you can get with all of them unsolved. So here are 2, then you get 2 solved, you got 1 solved, and you got all solved. So it's 5 in total. So it's all solved, only 1 is solved, 2 are solved, then there are 2 cases for all unsolved. So here are the 2 cases for all unsolved. So this one is called 2-2 flips, and this one is called just general for unsolved, I would say. So for this one is called 2-2 flips. Is basically, you see like these the pieces which like the correct one relative to like the correct ones, they're just opposite and they're like parallel to each other. So they're like this. So you see these two should be together and these two should be together. You got you got these two and these two should be together. So this is called a 2-2 flip. And what you can do is you can just do what you would do on 4x4, which I would just flip it. I'll slice this piece, then look for this one. That would just then no. So then when you solve it, you can just replace it with whatever piece you want. Then slice 2 times to solve this one. Then slice it back to solve this one. So it'd be like that. So it's like the same as what you would do on 4x4. So this time you should be solving all 4 middle edges at once using like the 4x4 technique. So I just solve it, and then I can do rest of them like a 5x5. So I'll just do this one, flip, then look for this one. I will solve this one first. I'll look for this piece here, so I'm gonna insert like this. Okay, I'll just flip, slice, insert. Then I can just solve it with slice flip slice. Luckily no parity. So for this case, like 4 unsolved, but this case is a little bit more trickier. So what is the difference between like the one I showed you before and this one is that they are not opposite to each other, they're completely random. So what I mean by that is, you see when you match this together, okay, like these two, they won't match, okay. So what I mean by that is, you have to do one first, then do another one. You can either do this one or the one at the back. So I'll just do the one at the back because this just in front of me. So I'll solve this one first, then I'll just insert it like this, slice it back, so then this one is solved. So what you do next is not solve like the rest 2 edges, the middle edges. So what you do is you should be solving the 2 kind of like done edges first. So what I will do is I will just slice, flip, slice, solve this one. I'll solve this one, okay, like this. Then I will just insert like this, flip, like this. Then I'll just insert like this. In the form where you can just insert like this, so that you can just do a slice, flip, slice like this. So you can slice, flip, then you can solve the rest of it, which is pretty straightforward. You can either do like last 2 edges 5x5, or maybe like parity, whatever. Or if you don't have parity, then you're very lucky. So yeah, here are 2 cases. like the worst case you can get, I would say. So for this for these cases, there are still some like variants which is a little bit more complicated, and I don't think if I should mention it because it's a bit more complicated, and already there are like a couple cases that you have to remember. So just demonstrate these two first, and for like the next video I will maybe do the rest of the three. So yep, that's it.